Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Nasir Ahmad Mahbub. Welcome to the Wadantek YouTube channel. In this video series, I would like to configure Dahua NVR. The first step, we are selecting the region. I'm selecting Afghanistan. And the second is we are selecting DVS configuration language. We are selecting English. And the third one is video standard is PAL or NTSC. We are selecting the NTSC. Here I can check or confirming the device license. Click next. Here we can identify the time zone. Click next. The important section for securing our device is need to enter a quite strong password. So I'm entering a strong password. Admin at 123. Click next. The third step is used for resetting our password if we forgot the pattern or password, so it can help us that we should enter the email address. It will send a link inside our email. We can change it over there. Also, the second option is that we should use some answering some question, like we can enter a name that we should remember, CCN, like CCN1, or we can CCN2, or also we can also CCN3. You can enter any name, but keep in mind that you should enter a name that you will not forget it. Just I'm deselecting the email section and will just use the answering section. Click OK. In this section, if I check this option as it is, it will automatically update when it's connecting with internet. Click next. To identify in the network, so we need to enter a proper name, also the device number, so it's our first NVR. Also here we can select the logout time. I can select in 2 minutes if it's not used, so it have to be logged out. So just click next. Here we can select the time zone or edit the time zone in date format. You can see there here we have many options for date format. And also we can use the date separator by colon, dash or dot. And also here we have to identify the time by 24-hour or 12-hour. I'm selecting 12-hour. So if it's selecting the NTP, it will update its time from the Windows time server or NTP server. Here we have to edit. And just click, do we have a DHCP server in our network infrastructure or would like to add static IP address? Just check for DHCP or uncheck it for the static IP address. Here you can see we can assign both IP version 4 and IP version 6. And make sure you are entering the proper IP address that is not used by other device in your network. After you enter it, just test it. If it's available IP, so you can see IP is available. If it's not, you will see the red error. Click OK. And here you can also edit the DNS server. So automatically it's configured the Google default DNS server. Just click next. This section I will configure later on, but this section is used for onlining our device. Just deselect this option. Click next. And the device configuration is finished. Later on I will show you we can add the camera in connecting with the NVR system. In the recording section we have 4 options: regular, MD or motion detection, alarm and IVS. In the regular section, the camera are recording 24-hour by a day. And if we would like to stop recording for some times, so we can just deselect the area, and for this selection it will not record. And the second option is motion detection. Motion detection is, as I said in my previous video, the camera is recording when some object is moving in front of the camera. Alarm section is recording when some alarm is happening. If some object is entering into stock and that object or human is not authorized to enter into the stock, so it will start alarm. We will have a detailed video in configuring the alarms. If we would like to select the duration for the alarm system, so just we can select and drag the line in the section we would like to have the record. Also, the IVS section will help us that I will have a complete video in this as well. When we are drawing a line in some area, if any human or object is crossing that line, so it will start alarming or also will send you alert message into your mobile. So if we select this section, so we have to identify the time that it will record that situation if some IVS occur. Here we can see that pre-record 4 seconds, like if we check the IVS or alarm or MD, so it will record 4 or 5 or 10 seconds before that action till the end that alarm going to be stopped. After we have configured, so we will apply to all camera. We can select one by one, camera 2, camera 3 and camera 4, but also we can apply to all, like we have configured this option and we can select all and just click apply. If we would like to change some setting in camera at the same time, you can see here we have the link option. We can check all camera, or we can select 2 days like Monday, Tuesday. We will deselect or select the IVS option, you can see. Or if we come to the MD, also if I drag one line in one day, it will automatically drag on both days. The ANR option or automatic network recovery option, as I explained in my previous video, you can go to the second video, you will have complete detail in this for the ANR. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video is useful for you. And if you have any comment, suggestion or recommendation, please feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp.